class selector. So class selector is to select tags by their class attribute value. Just remember this class attribute value and apply styles on them. We use class selector. I think most of you are getting confused. We write class attribute value preceded by period dot. You will understand it when I will apply this. So syntax is this tag name class equals to class attribute value, whichever value we are going to assign. It can be whatever value you can give it. Then you can see at the after the tag name line there is the class attribute value afterwards, which has the dot preceding it, and then after dot class attribute value there is curly braces started declaration list. As you all know what is the declaration list, then curly braces close. It selects it selects every HTML tag which has a specific class attribute value and applies styles on them. Now let's continue with our application. So here I will change the tag selector to class selector, and you can see that class selector is blinking. This is what metacat set. Metacat set is the metadata of the data. So within the body I will create a paragraph tag, and then I will write the written text here inside it, and then I will close it. Then I will copy it and I will paste few more times. Okay, that's good. Now file save, go to browser. Here it is, written text here, displaying multiple times. Now what I will do is I will locate this paragraph tag and I will style it. So style type equals to text slash CSS, then style closed. Within this style I will locate this P or target this P and give it some properties. So curly braces start after P. I will say border colon 2px solid blue. Done. Save, refresh. So here we have our solid blue borders. Now what I want to do is I want to change the color of the borders for 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So what I will do is inside this paragraph tag I will write class equals to double inverted commas start red border. I want this border, its border to be red. Then I will copy and paste it on the fourth written text here. Then I will do the similar for fifth and sixth, but for the fifth and sixth I need the green border. So what I will write is green border inside the class. So also what I will do is, as I have told you earlier, I will write this dot and then red border. So this is how we are going to locate this red border on the paragraph tag we have selected. It says border colon 2px solid red curly braces closed. Now we need dot green border curly braces start, and you all know that this border is going to be green. So border colon 2px solid and then green, then this curly braces closed. Now what we will do, what we have done here is we have changed this. So save, go to browser, refresh, just see the magic. This is the class selector. This is how we use the class selector. Also I just want to increase the size of these this red bordered values. I will copy and do the similar for the green border values. Font size colon 16 pt. So save and refresh. Here we have our font size increased, but you can see that inside these font size are repetitive. It is also increasing the redundancy. So what I will do is I will delete the font size from here and I will increase that font size by another way. What I will do is after paragraph tag I will write dot larger text. Then I will start the curly brace and right here the font size, whatever font size I want to give, font size colon 16 pt, and then terminator off, and then curly braces off also. So how I am going to do is First I will save it and I will show that my font size has been restored into the default. And now how we are going to give the font size in the colored bordered values. So this is another attribute of the class selector. What we do is, after the red border we will just give a space and then write here larger text. Similar we will do it for the another red bordered value, then for the green border, and then for the second green border values. So this is the attribute of the class selector. Now save, go to browser, refresh. This is how you are going to do. Just remember this, how what we done here, or you can just pause the video and do it by yourself. Also I just want to give another experimentational example, so you cannot forget what we can do more and more here. Write dotted inside it, by giving dotted and the border colon 2px dotted black. Save it and then refresh. You have your dotted borders. Then the third selector is id selector.